Fine or powder is divided into a variety of fine or powder according to different dressing methods, such as magnetic separation, flotation, gravity separation, and other fine or powder. For fine powder ball press, feeding is also a technical work. Before feeding, be sure to let the machine run empty for 3 to 5 minutes before filling. The reason to do so is to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing loads on the reducer and motor. Secondly, quantitative feeding can make the motor run smoothly, stable charge when the amount of feed exceeds the specified amount of equipment. It will cause overload and even force the equipment to stop suddenly. When the feed is too little, the ball forming effect is unstable, and the strength of the ball is relatively low. So in the operation of the machine to master the dose is an important link. Skilled operation technology and correct feeding is an important link, but also to ensure the normal operation of fine powder ball press is an important condition.